In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split full names and sort by last name in Google Sheets. This technique is incredibly useful if you're managing a long list of contacts or employees and need a quick way to organize your data. To begin, open your Google Sheets document. This is where we'll start transforming our list of full names into something more manageable. Once you have your spreadsheet open, locate column A. This is where your full names should be listed. Click on the header of column A to select the entire column. It's important to select the whole column because this action allows us to manipulate the entire content within it in subsequent steps. Next, move your attention to the top menu and click on Data. This drop-down menu offers various options for data manipulation, but don't worry, we're only going to focus on a couple of them today. Within this menu, you'll see an option labeled Split Text to Columns. Click on it. This command will split the text in each cell of column A based on a delimiter, which is what separates each part of the name, such as a space or a comma. Google Sheets usually detects the delimiter automatically, but let's make sure it's using the right one for your names. Once you click Split Text to Columns, a small option bar will appear at the bottom of your selection. Click on Detect Automatically, and then choose Space to ensure that the names are being split correctly. This will separate the first and last names into two distinct columns, allowing us to handle them individually. Now that the names are split, let's label our new columns to keep everything organized. Click on cell A1 at the beginning of column A and type First Name. This helps anyone viewing the sheet understand that column A now contains only the first names. Then, click on cell B1 and enter Last Name, because column B will contain the last names. To sort your contacts alphabetically by last name, begin by clicking on the letter header of column B, where your last names should be. Go back up to the Data menu and select Create a Filter. This action enables sorting options for our data. After you've created your filter, look for the little funnel icon next to last name in your sheet. Click on it to bring up the sorting options. You'll want to select Sort A to Z to arrange the names alphabetically in ascending order. Once sorted, you can click OK to confirm your actions. Congratulations! You've successfully split your full names into first and last names and sorted them alphabetically by last name in Google Sheets. This method not only makes your data easier to read, but also much more efficient to navigate, especially when working with extensive lists. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out more of our tips for optimizing your spreadsheets.